Ghost. Ghost. A ghost says, boo, boo. Haunted. Haunted. The house is haunted. Bat. Bat. Vampire. Vampire. A vampire can turn into a bat. A vampire's teeth are called fangs. Fangs. Coffin. Coffin. A vampire sleeps in a coffin. Cemetery. Cemetery. The place we bury people is in the cemetery. The exact spot we bury someone is called a grave. Grave. The marker for someone's grave is called a tombstone. Tombstone. Skeleton. Skeleton. Skull. Skull. Witch. Witch. A witch flies on a broomstick. Broomstick. A witch's laugh is called a cackle. Cackle. Cauldron. Cauldron. A witch brews potions. Potions in her cauldron. Black cat. Black cat. Witches often keep a black cat as a companion. Spider. Spider. Witches sometimes like to eat spiders or put them in their potions. Werewolf. Werewolf. Werewolves appear during a full moon. Full moon. Werewolves like to howl at the moon. Howl. Mummy. Mummy. Zombie. Zombie. Frankenstein. Frankenstein. Grim Reaper. Grim Reaper. Spooky. Spooky. Scary. Scary. Eerie. Eerie. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern. Costume. Costume. Candy. Candy. On Halloween, children go out in their costumes and knock on the doors of neighbors. When the neighbor answers the door, they say, "Trick or treat," and the person inside gives them candy.